And her sandwich?
One more for me, the bread with cheese.
Wait, we have to go.
Wait.
Sandwich.
Yeah, I show you.
Ayrı ayrı olsun.
Ee,
İki tane.
Where?
Ayrı ayrı.
Over there. Turkish fika. Cheers.
Cheers. Fresh orange juice.
Very good. Yellow cheese bread.
Honey. Honey.
Very good bread.
Turkish tea.
Turkish tea.
Turkish tea with honey. Honey. Cheers.
Good.
Okay, let's see. Oh,
Wow.
big one, small one. Okay, let's try this. Some cheese. Oh, look.
Good.
Wow.
Apple.
Cake.
Apple cake. Very good. Look at these things here. Look at this door, Werner. Wow. Beautiful. Beautiful door. Cool. Cool. Beautiful paintings. Wow. You give food?
Huh?
You give the food?
No, I
No, okay.
some that they give. Do you speak English?
Yeah,
Where are you from?
Finland.
Finland.
Yes.
Okay. I work hotel
Yeah.
and I know some girls Finland.
Aha,
It's
okay.
funny now. Birazcıyız.
I love cats.
Here, cat home.
Yeah.
Cat home.
They sleep in here and live here or?
Yes.
Yeah.
Government.
Oh, the government pay
Uh-huh.
for everything.
Yeah.
Wow.
Sometimes.
That's great. Oh, you get food.
İstiyor musun?
Oh,
Al.
meat. Or so sweet.
Ay şu tatlı. Hadi bakalım yiyin. Hadi. Al. Al bebişim al. Al tatlım al. Al sen de al. Bakalım. Yiyin.
But the government, they give the food to the
Yes,
cats.
food.
Yeah, they pay for everything. The government, or
Yeah.
maybe people come here also. Oh no! Hey, no! Yeah, give to him so he doesn't fight.
Yeah. Government. Some this.
Aha, they give there. Okay.
And maybe this. Some people for outside.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. Mm-hmm.
So beautiful.
They look so clean and white.
Clean, really clean. In the street, very clean, so
Yeah,
clean.
yeah.
Everybody tell how is clean, how is beautiful.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
They think.
Yeah.
I think so. Sometimes come here healthy person, healthy for
Mhm.
healthy.
Oh, they
For
shake
cats.
them. Okay.
Yeah.
They give maybe medicine.
For animal.
Yeah.
Doctor.
Veterinary.
Sometimes maybe I think so is visit them.
Yeah, yeah. So they check everything.
Because I think so they is for healthy.
Yeah.
It's beautiful.
Yeah.
Healthy.
Very clean. Do you know how many cats live here?
I don't know. Cat park.
Yeah.
Alanya Belediyesi.
Is Keddy? Is that cat?
Yes,
Kedi.
Kedi.
Keddy.
Uh-huh.
Ah, Keddy. Okay.
I have little time. I must go now.
Yeah.
Maybe later.
Okay. Yeah. Nice to meet you.
You are so nice.
Yeah. You too. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Aslında şey böyle. Paraya ihtiyacım olmasa yine çalışılır. Devam edilir yani.